as you all listen, that first topic was wine should be completely banned in India or not. As my student discussed about wine should be legally banned or should not be banned. So now we have a second topic, and second topic is also a beautiful topic, which is mobile, the impact of mobile. Any mobile, any mobile is boon for us or it is curse for us. Lord, let's see what they speak. So student, let's commence. Mobile is good for us or it is bad for us.
Good afternoon, guys. I am Kaushal, and we are going to start our topic. So, our beautiful topic is the impact of smartphone on now youngster. So, as we are living in 21st century, and smartphone is a very demanded and a useful gadget in nowadays life. And Martin Cooper is the father of this gadget, and this gadget we are using for the communication and skill development, for learning education, photography, and many more things, etc. And all youngsters are using very smartly, and they are using making videos, they are using coding, making apps, and many more things they are using very smartly. What do you say your point, brother?
So I'm in the favor of phone. It provides provide us as much as things it gives us education, while online education it teaches us as many as things, and we can also do online shopping, we can communicate with others, and we can do means what talk shopping, and many more things by it. And what's your thought about this?
According to me, it is. I am speaking in the favor of. It is not important in our era, because earlier the people used to talk with their family members face to face. But nowadays they are not meeting the family members. They are only gossiping in the phone. So it is not good.
So you would say it is a wastage of time.
Yeah.
Okay. It is a wastage of time.
Yeah.
Okay. Next.
Good afternoon, guys. My topic is impact of mobile on youths. We all know that mobile has become our part and parcel of our life, and we can't dismiss it, because without mobile we can't do anything, because mobile helps us to talk with anyone from anywhere, and and mobile is also causing so many diseases like loss of eyesight, and it is also affecting our body, it is also making our posture bad. And what do you think?
It's not about our posture and means our eyes, it's also give us so many things. You can also talk about that things, and the knowledge we are getting from it, it is rather than that things. And as you blaming about it, that only it means affect on our eyes, it can be our eyes can be affected by many things, not only phone.
We talk about for education nowadays. Students are shift Nowadays students are shifting in online, and parents also want to buy a smartphone for their children, because as the it's we are living in modern era, and online platform is a better than platform for offline platform, and student want in online.
As you said, but you said about human. What about the birds and animals? Birds are dying. So
As Subham said about our body posture, that it doesn't play a big role, but I want to say, if we will not be healthy, how will we study and how will we use mobile? Because mobile is due to for us, we are not due to for mobile. And one more thing, he mentioned that we can get so much knowledge from mobile, and I want to ask how they used to get knowledge in ancient times, when Nalanda University was there, when mobile was not there, when laptop was not there. How they used to get knowledge? By the help of teachers.
Where did they get knowledge from?
Yeah,
Where did they get knowledge from?
where did they get knowledge from their teachers, from the books. They used to read books, but nowadays I don't think so that anybody reads books. But when we read book, we get so much knowledge. We know that how to implement it, we know how to do it. And what's your point?
As you mentioned that earlier how people were studied. So I want to mention that in we are living in modern era and we have to follow modern structure, and in modern structure we have to follow online. And you know one thing, this is modern era and crime is on the peak, and how parent can communicate their children if they don't have phone. If they have phone, they can communicate where were he, where was she, they can communicate, and it is very helpful for communication. What is your point?
So now conclude the topic.
I have a major point that I want to let you know that as you are telling about means only birds are harming from the means that phones you are wrong. Humans are also harming. As means one of the scientists from IIT Bombay, he have proved that means the radiation of the towers, it harms our body and it also damages the DNA. Due to that damaging the DNA, it generates means cancer in our body. So how you are saying that means it not only damaging birds, they are damaging also humans.
As they mentioned that crime has been happening due to persons, but I want to ask why crime has been spreading like worldwide, wildfire, because of mobile, because mobile is the way of spreading anything. Due to mobile, people are spreading so many things which are fake, and some are not good for us, and in mobile so many things which are not good for small children. What do you think about that?
So our final point is we have considered it. We should use mobile because it is a very useful gadget and demanded gadget for in our life, and we should use, but with self discipline and mindfully.
Very good, students. Tried hard. Well done. Keep it up. Mistakes are there, but not to worry about that. I always speak. You can commit mistake. Thing is that we are here to learn. So, well said. And I want to listen some more people about the impact of mobile in our life. So I would like to call some another boys, another students, another girls to come here and speak about this topic. So let's see what another people speak.